Hi there guys, welcome to this new video on GetResponse. Now in this video, we're going to talk about how exactly do we integrate GetResponse with other third-party softwares, which usually will be our funnel building software. So if we look at this entire flow over here, of course on the left you have the traffic. The traffic goes to the squeeze page and then to the respective sales offer. So once they actually give you their information such as the email address, their name, contact number, so on and so forth, this information will automatically brings into GetResponse into the particular list that you wish to accumulate all this data. This integration is called API integration, which also stands for Application Programming Interface. So how exactly do we get this API key from GetResponse and input the key into the respective third-party softwares? So if we go back to our GetResponse main dashboard, again go to Tools, go under Integrations and API, click on API. Now you can hit Generate API Key. So let's say, for example, if your funnel building software is called XYZ, okay, just call XYZ for example. Click the Generate button and automatically this key will be generated. Okay, the easiest way is to click this copy button, click it, and then from there you can actually paste it to the third-party software that you wish to integrate your GetResponse account with. Alright, so it's a very short video here, but this is a very commonly asked question on where to get an API key for GetResponse. I hope this helps and I'll see you in the next video. And before we end this video, now below this video you will see that we have a 5 days free email marketing crash course for you. Click on the link, register for the free 5-day email marketing course, and over there I share with you more information in terms of how exactly I use email marketing to generate more than $30,000 of income every single month. Okay, so I'll see you guys in the next video tomorrow. Take care.